Alaikum. We continue with the song of the open road. Song of the Open Road by Walt Whitman is familiar, widely admired. In certain respects, the poem is iconic. It basically symbolizes the Americans' mobility, restlessness, and love of freedom and open space. The poem begins with first person narrator, which is setting out on a long brown path. The poet says that he starts his journey afoot. Afoot means by walk, and light-hearted. Light-hearted means he is not taking tension of anything. He is least bothered and least concerned of anything that goes around him, because he has done with his routines, customs, and safe behaviors of his previous life. He is done with the indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticisms. He announces that I don't want any good fortune because I myself is a good fortune. The poet is a writer of free verses. It means that the poet does not follow any rhyming scheme, nor rhyming words will appear in the poems written by him. He expresses his feeling in a very open way. Song of the Open Road is from his collection of poems Leaves of Grasses, which is a collection of 15 poems. And this is the first poem of his 15 poem collection. Now, in this poem, the poet expresses his desire to live a carefree life. We begin with stanza 1. In the first stanza, the speaker begins his journey. He says, afoot and light-hearted, I take to the open road. Healthy, free, the world before me, the long brown path before me leading wherever I choose. From this stanza, we understand that the poet is going on for a journey. Now, this journey is nothing but the journey of life. Secondly, he is light-hearted. Light-hearted means although he has all the responsibilities, all the emotions attached, still he is carrying everything with him and moving up tension-free, because the poet is contented with whatever he has. He is satisfied with whatever he is having, and so he is moving on light-hearted. The speaker recognizes that he is in no control of his journey. He chooses the path where the path will take him on his journey. So is our life. We think that we are the masters of our life. No doubt, to a certain extent, we do take decisions which we think are favorable for us. It may or it may not be correct at times, but we get to learn from our mistakes, and we don't stop if we are wrong. We continue further